really important for us to continue to support Moraine Park because it is one of our major pipelines of people. You know, where you do the training of the people for us who are going to take our jobs. Never a time where someone is more vulnerable than when they're with us in healthcare. And so really being able to connect with that purpose internally is such an opportunity, and I wish more people could be exposed to that because I think more people would go into healthcare. You know, it's not just starting an IV or it's not just delivering a baby. There is so much more in the connection that we have with human beings. Anything that we can do to keep our workforce local in our community and also offer educational opportunities and experiences through Moraine Park will only make us better as an organization.